Alrighty, what's going on, everyone? So, let's get straight to it. Back in the garage, the situation is the following. So, donor car, the 325 convertible that I got recently, the engine is already out of it. Here's the engine. Low mile, high mile with the rod knock. This one is pretty good. We just need to switch a few items over here as far as accessories go. So this one obviously is bad, this pulley is bad as well. I have a new water pump for it and thermostat coming as well. So here are a few extra parts that I got. Water pump, this is the pivot ball for the transmission. Here's the transmission, by the way. Flex disc, because this one is in a pretty sad condition with all the cracks and just being so dry and old. Might as well do that. I have motor mounts, oil pan gasket over there. Here's a clutch kit. I got the oil filter obviously and some oil as well. Also got a few other gaskets for the engine. I think I have oil pan gasket, I have oil filter housing gasket, so we'll take care of that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get to it. Well, in today's video I'm going to be finally working on the engine part of things. So we have two identical engines. They're even the same production year. So we have a 2.5 and 2.5 M54 BMW engines. So this is the one that's original engine out of this car, the one that has a bottom end issues, and this is the one that I got off of a donor car convertible. It's under the cover right now. 124,000 miles. This one is 260, pretty much double the miles, but it's way cleaner on the outside just because of the proper maintenance and because of lack of oil leak, and it's not grimy on this one. Yeah, as you can see, the timing cover here is all filthy all the way here from the timing chain tensioner and all the brackets, that kind of stuff. This will need to be cleaned, and as of right now I'm probably going to pop the valve cover off of both of the engines and kind of compare the top of the motor and see what's the difference between 260 and 124.
Say I think you're nice.
Well, and there you have it. Here's the real proof of why proper maintenance and proper oil with the correct oil change interval matters. This is the engine that has 260,000 miles, and this is the engine that has 124. Taking the cam splash covers off just to see the whole cam, but look at that, there's literally no sludge on this high mileage engine, and the color of cams and the head itself is completely different compared to this one. This one is more of a goldish with a, yeah, this is definitely, look at it, this is oil, a little bit of oil sludge over here and right up there by the Venus covers, and we got some extra buildup over here on the inner side of the head itself. This is crazy. This is crazy, but it's real. Alrighty, well, and there you have it. Here's the bottom part of the replacement engine. So we have 124,000 miles. Everything looks pretty good, as it should. Brown goldish color, oil residue. Looks pretty normal for this mileage. As far as the oil pan goes and the debris inside of it, we just have a little bit of oil residue and some sludge over there on the bottom pan, but there's no metal chunks or anything like that. That's good. No shavings. The pickup tube looks pretty good. Well, just like that, there you have it. Refreshed a few things here on the engine. Obviously got the oil pan gasket down first. That's already nice and tight. The oil filter housing gasket here, also put already a new oil filter in there. Got a thermostat water pump done as well, and this pulley right here because it was pretty shot. That's the one right there. But anyhow, the rest looks pretty good. Obviously not the brand new look just because this engine has so many miles, but still looks fairly clean. I think I'm gonna have my oil valve cover gasket done tomorrow because I'm still waiting on the gasket itself. But other than that, everything looks pretty good. Probably will be everything for tonight. The battery is dying already as always, and I think I ran out of parts to put on this engine, so I'm probably gonna finish up, and the rest will be on the next time here whenever I get the rest of the parts. So on to the next one. See you soon.